it's middle of fucking winter, and there's snow outside, so that means snowmobile season. So, since I like going snowmobiling, we're gonna take out good old 3830 here, go make some jump in the absolute winter debacle that is out fucking side right now. So we got a little one lined up, but I want to make that bigger, that one a lot bigger. So, and that over there, so more shit. So we need Skitty to do that, and it's 1 right now. So she hasn't been plugged in and ran since last week. So why don't I mount the GoPro up there and give her a good old crank? Do a zip ties and biplane style, motherfucker. Alright, we got that bitch pointed at the exhaust here. Let's run the glow plugs 50 million times, and hopefully she does not send a rod through the block. Alright, first time, run in. Run them second time. Copyright music. Run them a third time. Come on. Alright. Foot on floor. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bitch! Fuck! God damn it! Engine start ready. No, bitch. Oh, port. Bitch! You fucking black Australian! God damn it! God damn it! What the fuck? This is bull! Negative 52%, what the fuck? Let's try this bullshit again. This time with liquid encouragement. Oh, you bitch. Yeah, that thing's dead. That's nice. Alright, no liquid encouragement. Fucking vapor dust, I guess. Fucking absolute goot. Gotta run the glow plugs 15 fucking million times. Close enough. Come on! God damn it! An absolute piece of amphibian shit, so. Run them 3 more fucking times. Oh, she's starting to fire. Oh my fucking lord! Come on, you coot, Saddam Hussein could shit faster than this. Come on! This black piece of shit again. It's starting to fire, so this is good. Probably like another half an hour of this bullshit. And she might actually fucking go. Come on, I said run him one more time. Please! Please! Please, you fucking doits! Please! 9! Well, the fucking GoPro's half fucking dead. Come on, please. Oh, you need to party on. Oh, sorry. It's smoke rings. Yay! Alright, last attempt of this German fucking piece of shit! Oh, you bitch. Yes! 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 He's been on for probably like 3 minutes. You know, Chooch is pretty fine. Looks like we ran a fucking sled for 20 minutes in here, but it's fine. So, I'm gonna rig up camera on door, and now we're going to ditch the phone while I go make some jumps, and probably time-lapse. So, time-lapse time. So it didn't really end up being a time-lapse because half of the files that I recorded for this time-lapse time for making the jumps and all that, it just freaking corrupted, and I have zero clue what it is. So it's just gonna be a bunch of clips of doing random shit. Alright, I don't know what the camera quality is gonna be like, or what the sound's gonna be like, but... Oh, hey, that's under the tire. The hydraulics is still a little cold, but that's okay. Probably should shut the lights off in there, but yeah, who really cares? I really should just get the sled out and try this right here, but we're just gonna make a fucking jump right next to it and see what it does. Let's go get the sleds out and see what the fuck we can do. Alright, now that was just 8 minutes and 30 seconds of just getting the jumps and the skid steer started. Now it's the real debacle of trying to get all the sled footage, which is going to be just great because the fucking GoPro's died halfway through and the files got corrupted. And then I tried to use my tripod and it pretty much broke in half, so this is just great. The wind in this was pretty bad just because, you know, it was -5 even though it was 9, so that's just fine. Probably seeing the time lapse. You got this big motherfucker. I don't feel safe on this thing. I don't want to hit it. I really don't. I really, really don't.
Oh shit, not good.
Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Big boss.
So, I'm fucking bored, so yeah, let's make this thing hum even more. Do it again. What? Whenever that does it, the fucking lights flicker, so this bitch is taking a tiny bit of voltage. Gee, that bitch will start no fucking problem compared to this pile, and I gotta wait for the batteries. Might as well do a cold start, because I fucking feel like it. Oh, you whore. Okay. So this thing does not have any glow plugs at all. Oh, well that's just great. Is the button frozen? Yeah, I'm not starting this thing. This thing's dead. Damn it, I need to put the charger in this thing though. She's fucking deader than a stone. That thing's deader than a rock. This thing's deader than a fucking rock. It's only one outside. This is bullshit.